the problem? Not, sir.
Will you get out of this place?
Leave here! Stupid girl. Baby, don't mind.
I know.
Don't mind. What is this key now? What is this key?
Will you bend down there?
Bend very well. Don't stress my leg. Baby, what do you want? What are you doing in this house? Should I open it?
By the time we are done with her, we'll take all her money and we'll run away.
Run, no. Should I even see us again? Run.
Hey!
What is the problem?
Who are you? Who are you?
I'm your baby.
Jesus! Baby!
Yes, see.
Baby! My God! What are you? What are you doing on the floor?
Baby, is this key related to what is happening in this house? I don't understand. What is going on? Why am I tying this? Hey, baby.
Miss Oma?
I always knew that this auntie Miss Oma, there is something behind her behavior in this house. Why is your leg on my body?
What did you do to me and my wife?
Madam, I saw this key under the chair and I opened it. You did what? Huh? Hey! Bring it! Huh? See that to me. You did what? Oh my God.
Jesus.
Hey!
You child?
Hey!
My wife and I?
Oh, baby! Hey! Baby!
Drop it.
Hey!
What did we do to you?
That I brought my friend into my house.
Yes. What do you expect from me? Only your marriage. Only your big house. Only you. Fine men. Wait. We finished from the university. We graduated. Only you, look at it. You got yourself a fine man and a wealthy man. What about me? Look at me. What about me? Don't I deserve good things? Don't I?
Can you even hear yourself?
Listen, are you listening to me? Listen to me. I did this. I sneaked my way into this house because I want to take what belongs to me. And him belongs to me. What belongs to me? Nonsense.
Sir?
Thank you very much. We're grateful to you, okay? You have saved our lives. Thank you. You can go.
My husband.
Huh?